With everything that's going on in the world today, people don't know what to believe anymore. They don't know what's true. They don't know what's false. You know, they don't know. People are in panic. People are living in fear. But I do know one thing. I do know that people are losing their jobs, and that's not cool. People are getting laid off. People are in fear of getting fired. If you just got laid off, the best thing you can do is go out and find a job as fast as possible. And you're probably saying, yeah, that sounds easy, but I was making this much an hour. It doesn't matter how much you're making. Right now, you just need to find a job. It doesn't matter if you're making half of what you're making. You need to find a job, and you need to keep your mind and your body moving. You need to keep that momentum going. Don't worry about the pay right now. Just worry about keeping your body moving, keeping your mind sharp. Because if you wait, if you go lay on the couch and you start watching TV, your body's gonna get lazy, your mind's gonna get lazy. It's gonna be harder for you to get that momentum going. Face reality, no one's gonna come save you. Now is the time to save yourself. Now is the time to come out, wake up and save yourself. If you're in fear of losing your job next week, if you're not mad, you know what? I might lose my job. We might get fired next week. You know what? Accept reality and take action. Take massive action. In the morning, go talk to your boss. Go talk to the owner. Say, hey, boss, I need to know what I can do to keep my job here. I'm willing to take a pay cut. I'm willing to work minimum wage. I'm willing to work overtime. You don't have to pay me overtime. I'm willing to do multiple positions. If you want me to, do maintenance, I'll do maintenance. I'll cut the grass. I'll do whatever we got to do to keep this place going. Don't worry about the pay right now. I just want to keep my body and my mind moving forward. I just want to keep that momentum going, because look, once you go lay on the couch and once you wait for someone to save you, your body's going to get lazy. Your mind's going to get lazy. It's going to be way harder for you to get that momentum going. Get up in the morning, take action, take massive action, go out and conquer the world. It's not over yet.